Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, today was a pretty decent day at work. I actually got a little pay increase, so hopefully, maybe in the next month or two, my checks will start reflecting that. So maybe I'll be able to deposit maybe $100 or $200 more, maybe $300 more extra per month. So hopefully, my account can go back up to where it was before. Cause, whew, guys, I need to freaking show you how much I've been getting wrecked, right? Since November, since our peak, we were up 55,000. All time, I believe we were freaking 60, might be $10,000 more than this all time. So we were like $65,000 all the way at the peak. And right now we're down to like 5 times less than that. And we have to work all the way back down basically from zero. So one way I'll be able to get back to all the way back up to there is by depositing my way and investing into some of these freaking beast companies, such as like some of these ones that I have right here. I'm really interested in some chip stocks. I know that chip stocks are getting wrecked right now, and they'll probably continue to get wrecked. But I think once everything's said and done, and everything gets back to at least a little bit normal to a little bit normal times, that they will perform very well and get back to the beasts that they were before. Like, look, AMD, it's under $60, right? This freaking stock was, this stock was a monstrosity over here. 155, it's down to almost a third of where it was before. It's sad, sad, sad. Nvidia, right? Nvidia, same thing, a monstrosity of a company, but right now it's getting freaking hammered. Can we see this go under $100? I don't know. Maybe. I'm actually really interested in it. If it continues to go down, I would like to see some of these babies to go down more. I'd like to see it go down to into the low under $100. That would be pretty cool. Same thing with AMD. I would like to see AMD down under $50, if not lower than that. That'll be interesting. That'll be a potential buy opportunity. Same thing with Shopify. I mean, it's really down a lot, but I'd really be interested in it if it continues to go down under $25, if not lower than that. That'll be pretty cool. Because I have a pretty big stake into Shopify already, and I'm down a hell of a lot. So if it's going to keep dropping, let it drop more. So if I do want to continue to buy some of it, I would like to buy it at a very low price, so my average cost can drop down a hell of a lot once I do start buying it. Because I did make a mistake on this one. I did buy at, I think, in the 70s, and I bought a significant amount at like at $5,000-$10,000 at a time. I did like 2 or 3 purchases of like $5,000 or $6,000 at a time, which was a pretty big mistake. I don't think I'll ever do that again. I'll never buy, put all my money into one thing and then just boom like that. Next time I do it is the way that I'm doing it now. Maybe buy a couple $100 here and there, and see what happens. Slowly build up my position. Don't just build up position in 1 or 2 days or in a week, because then you might be getting wrecked like me. You might get screwed over, and you might be in a freaking huge recession, huge stock market crash out of nowhere, and get wrecked like me, and you'll be left holding the bag like I have. But my main focus right now in the stock market is to actually drop down my margin. I wanted to get down into the 5,000s. Hopefully by the end of this year, I can probably do that. Hopefully, I have all of October, November, December, so I have 3 months. So I had to just deposit about $1,000 a month to be able to do that. Might be a little tough to do. I don't think I'll be able to deposit some money on Tuesday when I get paid. I got an unexpected a bill that I have to pay about $600. So that's gonna be maybe a week or two of me to make some money, extra money to pay that off. But after that, hopefully I'm gonna be free probably for at least a month or two before I get any other bills that I might not be expecting. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to make a little bit extra money with this promotion. Maybe work some extra hours to slowly take this margin down. That's the main thing. If they keep increasing the interest rates, the Fed, then the more it's gonna be to pay this off, because every month they get charged the interest, right? I think right now it's like at 5%, 5.5% or something like that. So every month they they increase the interest rates, the more expensive it's going to be to hold margin. And I do not want to be holding margin, so I would like to drop that down a little bit. And for me, I would actually don't. I wouldn't mind if the market continues to drop. I wouldn't mind seeing some of these stocks drop down another 10%. Because I'm not really. I mean, I really want to buy. Right, I would really. If I had the money, I would really want to buy. But right now, I'm not really super cash heavy, so I want to be able to build up some money before I start putting money back in. Like I said, my main focus is right now is to pay off debt, because this interest right now keeps increasing, and I do not want to be paying off just interest. I want to pay all of it off, and then I'll be able to get back into 100% buying, building out some of these positions. I want to build up my equity. Right now, I'm not even really looking at this, how much I'm down. I'm really just looking at these numbers right here. You see the share amounts. One, to increase all these share amounts right here. I would like to see Shopify at 300. Would like to see Palantir 250, ChargePoint 150, TTCF 300, PayPal 25. You know, IIPR another maybe like 30. MP, I would like to see MP 70, right, or 100. I would like to see Meta to like at least 10 shares, right? We'd like to see at least 10 shares. Same thing with Amazon, at least 10 shares. We want to keep increasing these babies. Corsair, want to keep increasing these babies. Neo, I'm getting freaking wrecked on Neo. Neo's at $13 now. Whew. I would actually see Neo at $9. Maybe get another 100, 200 shares. Because getting 100 shares at $9, that's only $900. When before at 60, that's $6,000. Do you see the big difference there in price? If I can get Neo, get my average cost down under in the mid 30s, that'll be pretty interesting. I think I'll be happy with that. But I have to increase all these other ones first, because I do not want to have such a huge amount in one stock, because then it's going to be super overweight. So anything that basically Neo is running my portfolio right now. Neo and Shopify run my portfolio. So if they have good days, the portfolio blows up, and if they have bad days, boom, they get wrecked. And like I said, I do want to add some more of these babies over here. I have some chips. I want some stocks, microchip stocks. I want to buy some Tesla, Microsoft, some ETFs, maybe some Bitcoin. Want to get it. I also want to do a little spec move and buy some UBO. I'm kind of interested in that. Right, what is it called? What is that stock called? Let's see. What is it called? Sorry, I'm having a freaking... Oh, Fubo. I said Yubo. Fubo! That's the one that I'm looking into. I would like to see... Maybe get like a couple hundred shares in this one. Maybe like $1,000 position in it. 300 shares. Leave it like that. As a spec play, I'll probably put it into this portfolio real quick. Ooh. But yeah, that's the main goal for me right now, is not to exactly be purchasing, even though I really want to. It's to bring down the margin. That's the main goal right now, bring down the margin, so the portfolio value will increase and the margin will decrease. That's the main goal. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Remember, I'm no financial advisor, I'm no professional. This is just for entertainment purposes. This isn't my only account. I have other accounts. I have some accounts just holding ETF. I have 401k in my job. I have Roth IRA. You know, I have all these other things. But this is just for me to see if I can make this account huge or if it blows up. And so far, it's been blowing up. But I think almost a lot of people's accounts been blowing up unless you've been buying puts the whole time. And in that case, you guys are making stacks on stacks. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.